the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.
Odiwani Chiremu on various social media platforms. There is this propaganda just a tro. Yeah, the National Democratic Congress and omo chita for chassis din. Eddie Etia, the second lady here, Excellency Yamame Samira Baumia. Ni nyina fa asase bi ho nsensem ya case ya making. In fact, it's here for do na tete ho nsem bebrebe on various social media platforms. Ya even ya the honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan de na be him say eye onua bi no nche say ensem wan. Na me wo bi wo ha me be body a kire mu. As usual, adakabre frempon efre an astute lawyer ni mapaya wa ye adwuma e wo high court. Now, no speciality no in land cases in the assembly ye kan wasemi onimu ye papa. Now in fact, lawyer Kwame Jan, lawyer Kwame Jan or the other cabaret from Ponto at 1 level or mani who say nya baby any gina propaganda. Now once our rate of sermons ya. And the background or ye the plaintiff, ya or ye rightful owner of the land, ya court really demand. Nidi ya hajia Aisha Ahmed. And the one say propaganda na bontene say Her Excellency Yamame Samira Bomia Onia Bema. Bema Bene de Hajia. That is one of the propaganda. Number 2, rate of sermons served by court and each and every document here are attached to judgment a court and the by in tia. The rightful owner acting on this judgment ekobu developing structure na ewo so nyina no lawyer Kwame Jan enya bridge re ni nyina mu de wura Ghana ye mra ya efa asase acquisition and everything that has to do with this case. They are very, very educative. Yenkoti lawyer Kwame Jan.
Writ of possession as anything.
Adakabre uko court na ye di asase asema. Cheni yo. You normally you relief bia ye claim. Aye relief no na tie ne say adeko a opese judge ne nyema wo yema wo e be ma okoma ato yem na asem na twa. The can be sapa fi judge hono your friend no declaration of title. Normally no endorsement that was written here on the back of the writ. It's like what the down part of the statement of claim. That endorsement no. You already can be saying say judge ye di assembly ya ye declaration say assassin na ye kan wasem no. Ayemi adakabre media. When your declaration ni wia na what sign aye say and crofo na me ni o mo twe manson no ma the friend say perpetual injunction na kire say woman ni o mo asefo ni o mo a ebeji asase afi o mo nchen na ni o kyena kosi ni daachi nyina ristre ni o mo se ne ba ya o mo ntimi ma aka ase ne so kese fa ebu oto o mo so permanently na o mo ntimi ma aka ase ne so eno ne friend no perpetual injunction owie no a obesa ka say judge no emma no recovery of possession na kire say otemuafo yi atase no a ye kan wasem no mami tumi na me nkofa made na nkofo no a omo abawura mu no me nkoyi wo mu fi atase no so na me mfa masase back owie no a otimi kaka yemma no cost that is say wono wokọ court no e ka wabo wa asem no ho no yentia ne kama no enti normally no say ne ye no na so court now cast yemma declaration of title na kese judge nin kasa asase no wodia now an kasa o recovery of possession obekasa asase ne wodia so ma tumi ma nkwaje wasase enti say ubi sase yemma recovery of possession na judge ni the manwa or the oye order ne say wa ma recovery of possession e ka judgment na oye ye no ho enti wuri ansa na wo a wuri ni case no aye for judgment creditor no a wadi be mu no wo ba prepare rate of possession no wo ba prepare application akoma judge ni say afi registrar mami tumi na me ko fa masase enti rate of possession no eye tumi krata otemuafo no through the registrar ni yetim so edi ma say ko fa masase eti obi wasase no to a yini free so
enti rate of possession no and also in the circuit court at Adentan, Greater Accra, and ode a suit number no ebaye. Na fi what you say, Hajia Aisha Ahmed suing Charles Edem ke agodugo ni dini meyi onfancheme between or Hajia Ahmed no suing through the power of attorney holder no and George Otibonsu. One defendant, two Winchester Empire Company Limited. Now go to the sheriff, circuit court at Denton, or say, whereas by the judgment of the said court, defendant, judgment, debtor, was ordered to deliver to plaintiff, judgment, creditor, possession of the piece of land situate and lying at Jonah Mine in Adenta municipality containing approximately area of 0.65 acres or 0.26 hectare. You are therefore commanded, and it is a yes one fanko. Does it mean say Kofuasa Asia was a normal and was so a senana?
Adakabre Q. Wo free Adiana Kweni Mototo.
And coming some let you crown.
And sana rate of possession here, when him say the ability can buy a judgment.
And do I refer to no
judgment anybody no one ko ya appeal. Yeah, application for stay of execution pending appeal. Ma court no odi watam no. Ana court wa owo soro say so say onipa no odi bim no a friend judgment creditor no ya manu bim ya buni bim and so on train in so mani nyawore on train na koya appeal wo atemuafo a owo nanim say the odi atem no a only stay of execution judgment no the winning case no obey enforce me boa na ansana obey enforce no dey tell me ka te uhuri ye no obey file na wa serve entry of judgment entry of judgment na me no mahu copy of the entry of judgment was case mu
and a dated I say
entry of judgment no asate ahoro mienu and the one entry of judgment ne so me boa baako ye 0.65 acre and baako ni ye 0.88 acre so ati ase
yeah
entry rate of possession no eye mienu ahoro mienu me boa yes entry so bia won a rate of possession
0.65 no and the money about 0.88 no any has say
media me wo mienu no me wo 65 and the 88 so ati ati ni nyina wo the same date but baako ye kese ten baako
yeah
baako ye approximate area of 0.65 acre or 0.26 hectare
yes to convert the acre into hectare
eno na wo no me boa
yes
and I'm saying what baako biemu eno ye 0.88 acre or 3.56 hectare all located at Donaman
yes
within the jurisdiction of the court me boa
that's here mamin kinkan na chire mu chire yen o say entry of judgment no and edai what why reference to Hajia Aisha penny lawful attorney Charles Edem Kofi Agudago versus George Otibonsu and Winchester Empire Company Limited. Was a notice of entry of judgment and cost dated this 28th day of November 2023. And I say this action having been tried before the Honorable Circuit Court at Denton, Her Honor said the name Awo Blakoka.
So the quorum means constituted by. So the presiding judge.
The presiding judge, Her Honor said the name Awo Blaloka, and the third court having on the day of November 28, 2023, ordered that judgment is hereafter provided be entered in the favor of plaintiff judgment creditor. It is this day adjudged that 1. Declaration of title to all that piece of or parcel of land situate and lying at John Man in the Greater Accra region of the Republic of Ghana, containing an appropriate area of 0.65 acres or 0.26 hectares of land, and which is more particularly delineated and edged pink and plotted as LXDGAST is made in favor of the plaintiff hearing, declaring her.
So, Adakabre, hold on. Normally, court in a land case, for a declaration of your title. Say the judge granted declaration of title.
That is referred to in the notice of entry of judgment.
Yes. The second one now, 2, no, and also another declaration of title.
0.880.
The other parcel.
Yeah.
And so now call the 3, the relief 3, no, it's the recovery of possession. Of the above 2 parcels of land.
It document bang and so ada bontre say Obakan say data no is to move the court on stay of execution pending appeal on Monday 16th of April.
Generally, you know, in a chieftaincy action, say under the Chieftaincy Act of 2008. And file an application for stay of execution. It stays execution. Just by filing an appeal. File appeal, say in some chieftaincy case. File appeal, now say the other side now. The appeal filed, stays execution. But in other cases, the filing of an appeal does not stay execution. I don't know, case way, obia comment be prejudicial when you don't have the full facts. You are exposing yourself to ridicule. Because if you file an appeal in a chieftaincy appeal, the pendency of the appeal alone stays execution. You don't need to file an application for stay. Because once I file appeal, and no one stay execution. But in other proceedings, once I almost file application for stay, now
until the woman say
because you file application for stay of execution, yes, I was so saying.
Until not just and certain can acting on a year rate of possession now. Court. Now, me analysis. If it is a chieftaincy case, when an appeal has been filed and your opponent
a automatic stay of execution.
Right.
But in ordinary proceedings, say you file appeal no and stay proceedings no. And it's our filing application for stay.
Yeah.
And you can on the other side. So on the mission, and the oil no your judgment credit and our winning case no. Only himself can file application beyond. He will go ahead and enforce the judgment. And the case way, Obia, we are commenting, making sure that you have all the full facts.
Okay, I think me the other side of it because defendant would say now also are filing for application to stay the execution in addition to the appeal no. In the next no money no of which no free say Monday April 16 no judge no ebedi ho asem.
Me ka se bi practice. My lawyer check. The last thing I will ask of my client is to go and demolish. Because who could demolish it?
It's here along.
Na process no baby kakra big teach man. Because you see, all the people who were involved in the demolition, from the deputy sheriff, the police, whatever it is, military, they are all acting on behalf of the judgment creditor. Obia oko operator of the machine ko buye the obia oko bibi obia acts on behalf of the judgment creditor and immediate and sana mem catch me client say let go no na minim say to kro bia na ba bia
watertight
to kro bia because adakabre court aduma on to kro kete a good lawyer will enter through that no rama mo juri na go yamu that's how we operate. Me say me know ya dia. Me mo presta. Ma we to crook to abi.
Well room.
Na ma bo we to krono. Now there we see nyina na ma dwiri agu. Ma sesa me nioma. Pa. Ma kote me lego na me di me teacher. Enti adakabre. When there is an enforcement of a judgment, everybody is acting on behalf of the judgment creditor.
Without looking at other factors.
The all me say police near a letter come now or ma approval. Police near Okojina or Remy Buye excavator operator Obia Yajumama wa we need judgment.
Me and the other side of social law when you're by there. Then as some of your almost the history no Eddie free tete. I just say aqua ama utano for any ajirigano. And Utano for Omu free Teshin and another group from Teshin. There Benia also Ebebe joining here. And the two Teshi groups no Eddie Bem over Ajirigano for and Ajirigano for
Adakabresa area hodie. We are lawyer crowd so we are lawyer penny even yeah starting work my whole predictions oh
Sorry ho Kanka and Peniforian no set lie and
Bawalechi
Ebano
Otele any those areas no me catch it out in
Yagro crack
even me ye case bi obi koto asase around this force complex no describe ho at new nungwa but I had a judgment he court versus Rebecca Kufo circuit court judge Mrs. Akotoba Amfo and decided say Bawalechi and Otele belong to Klana quarter of La. But no bisa court judgment. Area o India grow home.
And then to judge at the circuit court I refer to John Ma. And as I see the West down so no I refer the judgment to Otano.
Me catch no me client obi to asate man no and describe ho as new nungwa. You call Land Commission, ho offer ho Otele. So, we so aton say ho ye new nungwa. Enti Accra locality names. Who you mistake? Who you lawyer? You better your license.
Because baby so am pass so no. Edanu to see no. Udru ho no between Rollins Junction and also at the Echo School Junction. What no variously described under EC or map when